Timmy, did you eat Anthony's pizza? What's a fish diagram? Like a mackerel?
It could be a mackerel, couldn't it?
Yeah. Or a chub.
Oh.
What's your favourite fish?
Roach.
Okay, well, back at the Legends of JHS with a box of goodies. So in here, we should have some hoses, a load of standard Ducati bolts, and I believe James has also got some bits, and the boys here have done a great job cracking on with chains, sprockets, all that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna go and find them, and then we'll catch up with where we are. Also, quick thank you for all of the good, lovely comments on the previous videos. It seems like you're really into this bike and the series, so that makes everyone feel kind of good. So that's the bike there, still on the bench, and yeah, let's get into it. Look, they're breeding. They're breeding. There's a black one, red one, two red ones outside, one up here, 999s everywhere.
Yeah, we're turning into a bit of a Ducati specialist.
Turning into, you've been one for 150 years.
Yeah, but I only like 999s, really and truthfully, or 749ers.
Okay,
everything else is all covered, and it's all right. But
why do you like them so much?
Because they look different.
So where we're at then? So we're down here. I've just bought a little box of bits. Traditionally, there's always a bit missing, so we need to find an extra hose, right?
This little puppy here, which
that's the offender.
Arrived.
So we need to find that.
But I also got a list of other bits we need.
Okay.
We need a couple of cam cover gaskets, a gear change, because the alternator, at some stage in its life, the chain had rubbed against the alternator cover and broken it through. So I've welded it up, dressed it all back. That's gone in for powder coating now.
Lovely.
So we're going to get that. So we need a new gear selector shaft seal. We've had to take the water pump out of it, and the mechanical seal is in that. We can't reuse it.
Okay.
We'll put a new one in there. But fundamentally,
we're all right. We're getting there.
We're getting there.
Chain and sprockets on, I see.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, don't want to do that.
Pirelli Supercoursers.
Pirelli Supercorsa SP. Some nice little grippy little Italian numbers on the beast. That's all going to be good.
I think it looks nicer in this area. Andrew's going to go around and touch these little bits up for us.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Just make it a little bit titivated. It looks quite nice. We'll put some ride out on it as well. We'll measure it up and see what's that when we've got it all finished. Yeah. It's just on the front. We've got new air filters in now.
Lovely looking stuff.
Because the ones when we took them out, we were
mouldier than my old underwear after a 3-week tour to Misano.
But apart from that, I think we're there now. We've got a couple of little fasteners and bits and pieces to pick up.
Oh, and I've got all the bolts as well. So whether we've got them all, got to find them all, Pokemon. Whether we've got all the bolts or not, but you know, we're that's all right. We can always change those as we go. Yeah, we can still finish the rest of the bike, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I think we're in a good place. So what we're going to need to do now, we're going to go down Riders, are we, and go and get some.
Well, we're going to see our local Ducati
specialist dealer,
who will be able to furnish us with the parts that we require.
Okay. Share the love.
If not, we can get a delivery date on them and we'll work around it. But yeah, okay. I don't think it'll be a major problem. It's just standard stuff.
Good. And we want some there's other little bits like some little fairing grommets and stuff that we're going to get.
Yeah, where your main fairing goes on, where your side fairing pushes into it, so the rubber grommet is all broken.
Yeah.
These are all the things that annoy me about, and it's not, I'm not particularly looking at this particular bike, but when people say, oh, I've serviced it at home. Fred in the shed has serviced it for me.
Yeah.
Like little things like that. Just why haven't you dealt with it?
Yeah.
Why are we in that situation? There's lots of little things on this bike, which we see lots of times. It could have been a lot worse than it was. Remember that when we're taking the bolts out, holding the rear brake master cylinder on?
Indeed.
You know, why do they put aluminium? Aluminium ones have a very low torque setting, and they shear off very easily. They're not meant for high pressured items like a brake master cylinder, really and truthfully. So I'm hoping these will all come out okay.
Yep.
We shouldn't have any issues there.
Some gaskets. But we're in a good place. So we're ready. So she's going to be on the dyno in about 10 minutes, and I think we're. I wish. I think we're ready to go. We've all done a splendid job.
It's being gone through, so you won't have to spend any thought process going, oh, I didn't do that, I wish that's broken, this isn't, following through, just like what we've done with that black one. We've done a little other check on it after it's all been road tested and found out the charging isn't as strong as it really should be.
Yeah.
Get it sorted before it goes back to the customer.
And the clutch, you're happy with now?
We're going to rebuild the clutch back up.
I think Ant's been in there and tidied it all up, and
he's got it all cleaned up. He's done the belts and so forth. And we're moving in the right direction now. The only question mark we've had a little look at is it's got new brake pads in it.
Yeah.
But I said to Ant, take the pads out. I'm not too sure if these are sintered or organic someone's put in there.
Right. Let's get some decent pads in there.
Yeah.
We're out. We're in. We might as well do it properly.
Yeah. For the sake of just pulling the pins out now.
It's weird why they're painted black, actually, isn't it?
Yeah. Because if they were Brembo pads, they would be a road and track and they'd be red.
Yeah.
If it was an EBC pad, it would be a gold colour, it would be sintered and so forth.
Yeah. It's a special bike. Let's make it right. Okay. Let's go and get in the car and get these bits.
Yeah.
Massive thanks to DR Bikes for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in the description below to drbikes.co.uk for all of your part requirements from top brands like Akropovich, Brembo, Hell, Öhlins, Renthal, Samco, and so much more. Whether you're doing a little service work to your road bike or a major rebuild on your track bike, DR Bikes has you covered. There's even a cheeky 10% off code for 44T subscribers lurking in the description below. Right, back to the video. I'm recording you.
Oh, you're lovely here.
Yeah, we've just been to Riders.
Riders.
To get, what have we got?
We've got some little grommets to hold the fairing with, O-ring and a filter because we've had to order some more bits but they haven't got them in stock. But the guy serving us was
delighted.
Really, it was a pleasure to deal with, wasn't he?
Efficient, to the point.
Polite, perfect.
What more do you need?
Yeah,
There's someone complaining that the car's too loud.
Oh, is there?
So now we're back to the workshop to fit everything that we can.
That we can. Well, a few little bits.
It's quite nice to get out though, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey, here we go then. There you go. Well, hey up, mother.
Right, let's not incriminate ourselves. Turn it off, James. Turn it off.
You were only doing 20. Right. They didn't have all the parts we wanted.
I did think about McDonald's.
Is that what you was ringing me about?
No. What for food? No, I was ringing about the clutch actually.
Oh, go on. What's going on?
That's out of the black bike. That's out of this.
Yeah.
This isn't a 909R clutch kit.
Right.
Because it should have 2.5mm friction plates.
Yeah, but bear in mind this has got a bit of a funny slipper clutch in it.
This is why I was ringing you. Because it's got the this is basically got a hybrid clutch in it. It's made out of all bits and pieces. The pack height's right. The pack height for the normal one and the 909R one are the same, but a 909R has thinner plates in it, so it has more plates. I can't get a 909R clutch. I can get a normal one.
Just get a normal one. Yeah, just get a normal one, and I'll have to build it back up because
the pack height's the same. Just the plate order goes in exactly the same. It's just that there's less plates.
Less plates, so you got less surface area. Yeah. But how that clutch works, now we understand that clutch, very basic sort of slipper back torque limiter clutch.
It's a back torque limiter one, yeah.
It relies the springs that you put into the hub itself, just push it back. It's quite a simple little process.
It was stuck together, it was. Okay, alright, I'll order that then.
Yeah.
And here's all the bolts, look. Some of them.
Do you want to pull them pads out then, Ant? When I've got them pads?
They're Hell ones. I think they're...
Hell?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Hell.
Oh, well, that's all right then.
Do you know what they are?
Brake pads.
Well, yeah.
Oh, they've got sintered material. Oh, that's right.
Are they, though?
Yeah.
They look like a, the Ferodo,
Chocolate eggs.
C Pros. Well, I mean, they might be chocolate eggs.
Ferrero
Rocher. They do look a bit Rocher-ish, actually.
You've got to score
They look like
Rocher.
Ferodo carbon ceramics.
I ate these
What they are.
individual pads.
Terrible, aren't they?
Terrible idea.
Stupid.
They're expensive as well.
Yeah.
Double the price.
Well, that's all right. We'll put them back in.
They're new. They're brand new. They haven't been used.
We'll be fine.
It's not going 10 tenths on a track. We'll be all right.
Oh, narrow heads.
Yeah, they're different.
It wouldn't make that much difference.
No.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, hang on. What's that one there?
Could ask a replacement for it, but
No, what's that there?
it's 5
And where's that one from? Right, so they're all 5 mils, aren't
They're all
they?
5 mils.
A lot of this stuff has been superseded because they go, we're not making that anymore. How many of these have we got? 2. We need 3 of them though, don't we?
So we need.
You could put them 2 in there.
Yeah.
Put those. That'll do that.
Or don't put them in there so you can't see them.
Yeah, could do. Swap them round. Do that.
Again, more solutions.
I don't think we're going to die because the superseded bolt has been fitted on.
Let's hope not. Right, shall I go and do a...
Is it on the trolley? Is it on the trolley?
And then we got the bolts here.
that looks surprisingly like an old Ducati, that trolley, anyway, doesn't it?
With a wobbly wheel.
Yeah, it's probably quicker. Shall I go and do a lunch run? Do you want anything nice?
What should we have for lunch?
Food place.
Have you got any deals on at the moment?
KFC or Domino's.
Oh, you know he's thinking KFC or Domino's. Let's see what Will's got in the Domino section.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Right, let's go on it. Timmy, did you eat Anthony's pizza? Yeah? Did you eat Anthony's pizza? Aw. Right, so we've got some bits. We haven't got enough bits.
No, we're short on some bits, which are on back order, but I've managed to scub some bits that'll be here tomorrow, help it move along a little bit further. But
Yeah.
fundamentally, we've made a little bit of progress.
Yeah.
Not as much as we would have liked,
Yeah.
but we've made progress.
But it goes with the territory, doesn't it? You know, it's what it's all about, isn't it? You've got to find little bits. Oh, can't get one of them, can't get one of them.
23-year-old bike.
And that's what holds up the job, isn't it? But
Yeah.
that's why it's so hard to do.
Yeah, it can be time consuming in relation. Look how much time we wasted on that water hose
Yeah,
this morning. And then we found out it was a superseded part number.
there you go.
And when we look at the fish diagram of it, the hose doesn't even look like the hose that we're looking for, and that's what thrown us down the dark
What's the
alley.
fish diagram?
Look
Like a
at-
mackerel
Could be a mackerel, couldn't it?
Yeah. Or a chub.
Oh,
What's your favourite fish?
roach. Andrew likes a good pike. That piece of hose we've got sorted now.
That's the
That's
infringing
the-
item.
Which looks nothing like that on the Ducati parts list.
No.
Looks like a straight bit of hose. So that's that. We've picked up a few little pieces today. We're going to do a few little odd jobs and so forth, and prep it all up, ready to go. Cam covers, gaskets will be here tomorrow, so we can sort them then. They can all
Powder
back on.
coating bits back tomorrow.
Yeah, that should be back tomorrow, hopefully. And away to go. We just got to do. Andrew was on about. We'll take these off and give these a little.
Well, that'd be nice. Yeah. I mean,
Change the fluid anyway, aren't we? So
Yeah, good change the
we'll
fluid
take
in.
all off anyway and clean it up. And
Clean it out and do that.
oh, you're not holding back, are you?
And then, you've already had a little titivate.
Yeah, we'll touch that up.
That looks nice already, doesn't it?
It does. Looks lovely.
That's all right. It just takes your eye off it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I'll a guy offered me. He emailed me from the last video a hugger front and rear original Ducati carbon bits. He wants 400 quid for the pair.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, isn't it? 300 I'll be in. Let me email him, see if he wants
Yeah.
to do a ding dong.
We can make that fit though.
What's the matter with this?
Well,
it's
it's just
perfect.
not. It's just not original, is it? And if we're going to the lengths we're going to now, let me see what the financial controller says at the end of it.
Yes, but no, I think
How cool
it's okay.
is this though? It's so elaborate to hold a couple of headlights, isn't it?
Oh, it's just you think about the design process of that.
And that's actually magnesium, isn't it?
Yeah,
On these ones.
yeah. It's just iconic bikes. Really are special.
Okay, boys. Oh, and front tyres on. Brake pads. We're
We know
going
about
to
the
keep
brake
use
pads.
the Hell pads that are in there.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it really. So we can do for today. So I think I'm going to go and try and get this hose sorted, wait for some bits to turn up, and then we'll come back in a couple of days and get this
Turn the
done.
key.
Turn the key.
Dun, 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 dun. That's what they make. It should be a test. Like you could tell me what this noise is. Dun, 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 dun. That's a Ducati trying to start.
And then there's often a bit of a
Yeah.
at the end of it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. And then the older Aprilias would go pew
Yeah.
at the end.
You get a Japanese one, it whizzes over so fast. But no, it'd be fine. I reckon it'd be beautiful.
Okay.
Be absolutely beautiful.
Good times. Thank you, gentlemen. I shall see you in Part Dos. Ciao. That sounds like a nice holiday destination in Greece. Part Dos.
Lake is it Garda I was looking at yesterday?
I went there. It was shithole.
Was it?
Yeah.
I've watched some videos of it and I thought, oh, I could just see myself on one of them boats.
Oh, the lake itself is nice, but I think we ended up in a caravan site on the,
Yeah,
and it was just wasn't really the same. It was well expensive.
No, I wouldn't.
They wanted 60 quid a night to park a van.
Does that include the dogging?
No, let's pay extra
Yeah,
for that.
pay extra for the dogging.
Yeah, and the jet wash afterwards.
That's no good, is it?
Right, high five. High five. Where's the dog?
He's in the back of your car, isn't he? Oh no,
There he
he's
is.
not.
All right, I'm stealing the dog. Come on, Timmy, let's go. Let's go. Come on. That's one hot parking attendant.